Okay, this is 704 3rd Avenue Southwest. We are in Ruskin, and we are going to run our camera from a clean out in the front of the house. We want to check the cast iron pipe under the house because there was a report that it's got some issues and needs to be replaced. So this should take us straight back to the master bathroom, which they've been having issues with clogging up. So we want to look at the pipe and see what's going on. So far it is cast iron, and it looks so far to be in very, 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 very good shape. This looks great. Alright, back in here, there are some roots growing into the pipe, which I can get those out of there. That's all that we see. I just want to kind of take a look at the rest of it. Looks like maybe a washer drain there. This is just a whole bunch of debris. Yeah, it's full of, looks like it's just completely full of debris. Alright, so I think what I want to do is I want to clean it and then take another look at it after it's been cleaned so we can see exactly what's going on with the pipe. See the debris stuck to my camera. That's kind of why it's all blurry. So let's get the pipe clean first, and then we'll go in and take another look at it and see what it looks like.